Hey folks, it's Gomey here, and we're coming to you from our factory here in Maywood, Illinois, just outside of Chicago, where the weather, it's riding time. So today what we're going to do is we're introducing the VStream and deflector system. It's a three-piece part that is available for your 2021-22 Harley-Davidson Pan America. All right, so we're going to get into the specifics here. Pay attention. All right, so this new three-part system features our quantum hard-coated polycarbonate. As you've known in the past, that quantum is the highest resistance to scratching and abrasion on the market, and the polycarbonate will deliver a 3-year warranty against breakage. All right, so our VStream for the Pan America is going to be offered in 2 different heights and in 2 different finishes, beaded and non-beaded. Okay, so the non-beaded is DOT certified. The beaded is DOT certified and E43R certified. The E43R certified requires a larger radius up at the top and the bottom of the windscreen. The development of this VStream system for the Pan America threw a little bit of a challenge at our engineers. In the end, we resulted in having a 2mm material to properly fit into the lower tray down below. We're also including 4 special screws and spacers in order to mount the 1.5mm deflectors correctly. Again, saves weight, and most of all, quantum hard-coated polycarbonate delivers the best optics available. Both versions will retain the adjustability on the fly like your OEM windscreen. So to summarize on the components, you get 1, 2, 3 components, the left and right deflector and the VStream. I would like to point out on the deflector, it's a little bit taller and wider than your OEM deflector, so of course it's going to provide for a little bit more wind deflection on both the left and the right side. Here's a good comparison of the size of material comparing the OEM to the National Cycle deflector. The polycarbonate deflectors deliver ideal optics for better visibility compared to the opaque material. This will come in handy as you're going down Fire Road or taking this thing out into the desert, what it was intended for. All right, so VStream, wider at the top, narrower at the bottom. This mechanical patented design will make the wind go away from your head and shoulders. So a little bit more vertical, the width is your best friend when it comes to comfort. These components are produced with precision thin gauge polycarbonate. It's made with a revolutionary process that delivers outstanding clarity, resolution, and 33% savings in weight. All right, so that brings us to the close of another segment of another brand new product from National Cycle. Be sure to visit us at nationalcycle.com or any of our social media platforms and get into your dealer and ask them about the new system for the Pan America. Remember, all National Cycle products are proudly made in the USA.